Ready to unlock the full potential of Lovable? Let's get you set up and running in no time. First things first, navigate to the official Lovable website and locate the download link. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer file to begin the process. You'll be greeted by the Lovable installation wizard. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, agreeing to the terms and conditions, and choosing your preferred installation directory. The installation will proceed automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your system speed. Once the installation is finished, you'll see a confirmation screen. You can choose to launch Lovable immediately or finish the setup. Upon first launch, Lovable will guide you through essential configurations. This usually involves creating an account or logging in if you already have one. Pay close attention to the initial setup screens here. You'll configure key settings that will tailor Lovable to your specific needs, such as connecting to your services or selecting your primary domain. Don't be afraid to explore the settings menu further to fine-tune your experience. You can adjust notification preferences, integrate with other tools, and personalize the interface to your liking. These configurations are crucial for maximizing Lovable's potential. Take your time to ensure everything is set up according to your workflow. Should you encounter any hiccups, a quick restart of the application or verifying your internet connection can often resolve minor issues. Remember to consult the comprehensive troubleshooting section within the Lovable documentation if problems persist. And that's it. You've successfully set up Lovable. Now dive in, explore its features, and discover how it can streamline your tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.